Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
I'm say, xenophobic attacks are echoes for South Africa. I don't know. It should be a Mijun ma be hu Mijun so amintias yi. Esan say these attacks are targeted at largely West Africans, even though it should be some other nationals become victims, but Mpempino West Africa for na targets. But near me ngo kese say the inspiration behind these attacks is a amount for and other nationals are taking over jobs meant for South Africans. But I don't know how that is the case in South Africa. It would warrant these needless and barbaric attacks on other African nationals. Targets na target no omunya you can say nationals from India, Serbia, China and all of that. These are black Africans who and the question I maybe some who say yen no more South Africa no omo ankasa, do they have regard for omo ankasa omo history and the solidarity that other countries in on the continent express here in their times of difficulty, almost go through apartheid in Sanimano. Almost every black African country expressed solidarity, and in some cases, cry go beyond just expressing solidarity to empowering them to ensure, say, they got out of bondage of apartheid. No, and Sebi, for whatever it is worth, no, we deserve say, this is the last we expect from you. But it also exposes a lot of weaknesses associated with institutions. They can act and act fast. I am an ardent advocate of the integration project on the continent. And the architecture, which is supposed to be the vehicle through which that desired, you can say, projects, would come to fruition. It appears it's going to sleep.
That's all.
Oh, to the extent, say this is not the first time. I didn't start here. You can watch several commentators spoke about it. Countries issue condemnation notes. It happened the second time. And this is happening. I'm sure this is about the third time and not the fourth time.
I said, I'm about 2 years, no matter what.
No, I'm saying, we in a space of
2015, 2017, 19.
Yeah, okay. 2018, I say BCO.
18, no. 18.
Well, but whatever it is, the point is we've had several of such attacks.
18 years, I Zulu King, you know.
Oh, okay, yes. Onusukoka service. But whatever it is, the point is that attacks, is here. And the way I say EU, any South African authorities, they've decided to let it die a natural death. There is a conflict resolution mechanism, conflict experts attacker, they call it ignore. Say Ntokobi Besia and Antokobi Sia. One of the solutions to it is Munjai or Mukuno Mubrembejai. And the M say almost away with the Omuya 1, 2, 3 matema at some point on one case on Bebreno Mijai. But things like this don't stop by themselves. So BB and Sia, because these people are motivated by some misplaced reasons of joblessness and all of that. And so long as there continues to be unemployment in South Africa, they would always arm themselves with that funny reason, say, other nationals na omuni ejuma eso moyeno. And I was expecting the AU to be more forceful and more forthcoming with some solution in respect of this issue. But the South African authorities themselves, I think their response to these attacks leaves a whole lot to be desired. Like some proactive measures are almost like arrests and prosecutions is they only come out to say but that is not enough to deter anybody from pursuing and from continuing sa attacks na AC no. Until the South African authorities themselves, in my view, are complicit in the air causeway. And to give some credence to this view I hold, the comments by the High Commissioner of South Africa to Ghana, for me, in the comments, I think they lend credence to the view I hold. Say the South African authorities themselves are complicit in the air causeway. To say you number critique Jumama other nationals. I mean, I think it's most unfortunate. Diplomats are minimum a Juma in diplomacy. Sebi, they hardly speak the way she spoke, and it's very regrettable. Say, a man for who share videos in Libya a hard dream to do. Burning people alive. I mean, Bonnie Ben cry, even murderers deserve their day in court. Much less on Crawford. Almost crime man said they are Africans and they are residing in South Africa and trying to earn a living. That's all they have committed by way of crime. So Mutu Kwanko South Africa. I'll be before and decided say yent now hokwa ye be juma ejidi. That's all omu crime anu. I mean omu crime no. What you say? And I think that the High Commissioner could have done better. The South African authorities could have done better. But let me say omunina South African authorities they decided say adi we nya dia ye can bebree. And my suspicion is that almost through some can be it might find expressions in elections, but the lives of people are being lost. And I seriously hold the view that elections are secondary when it comes to lives. Whether they are West African lives, they are Kosovo-Kayan lives, wherever the lives are from, those lives matter. And it is the responsibility of South Africa to protect those lives. And say, given their history, these are, I mean, they should be the last to engage in some of these things. Because Omunim, they know how it feels to be discriminated against. They know Nyoma Amanfo Ekom when they are up against the system. And Krofukobia, who feel say they are much better than more free baby fufrono. They have, if it comes to side experience, so to have gone through this experience and not learnt anything from it, but I also strongly hold the view say it's just not enough for governments to just issue condemnation letters. They should move beyond letters, and it's not stopping them. Until this is the time I feel they should take a step that is more concrete and that sounds a louder warning to the South African authorities. Say, look, you should recognize that there are South Africans in other countries. And that is not to say that there should be reprisal attacks, but I'm just saying that governments must call the attention of the South African authorities to the fact that yes, in other countries against South Africans. Edrusana, this very much cherished agenda of getting Africa united so that our development can progress, xenophobic attacks from South Africa could be the basis for the distraction and for the slow march of our agenda. And we've waited for far too long. I don't think, sir, January and I say Manumercy, as I drag further the progress of our agenda. And I think it's about time government spoke very loudly about Neokos for South Africa in a manner that can cause some action to be taken by the South African authorities. Letters need the but I don't think merely writing letters can get the kinds of effects you want.
Mate Atik Mohammed Medasi, and evangelist Mrs. Samoa, office of the First Lady, also an pay Yamoachi, Samu Yanamu, Yankopon Kamahona Bibia, and Yaboko, and Emamo.
Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet